channel. Yan, magbini tayo ngayon guys kasi alamig. It's getting cold outside. Yep, nowadays cold outside. So, today just like boring mukbang. Boring. Not much food. So, yeah. Today, got some hot dog. Hot dog. Big love shout out YT Legit friends. Hot dog guys with mustard and ketchup. Pickled jalapenos. Yeah, need the spice in your life, in your food. Don't mind that. Some chips. Doritos. For sure I cannot eat it all. That's like, you know, yan lang guys. For my drinks also, green tea. Yan, green tea. Green tea drink. Then, for later, blueberry muffin. Yan, I already ate the half. So, okay guys, mukbang muna tayo guys at mag-shout at ako. Like, you know, story lang. Pang ano lang sa video. Pang premiere guys. Okay? I'm not that hungry, a little bit hungry. According to your me, mga chubby daw kami. Who wanna join the chubby squad? Our leader is Ilocano daw. Shout out to you, Ilocano. First shout out of the day. Ilocano ako. Chubby na tayo, chubby. Angeline, we go shout out to who's pa mga chubby group? Kaming chubby. Si Sarah, not really chubby but may love shout out pa rin. She like lamon na. Lamon. She like been eating. Miss Cactus, may love shout out. And who else gonna shout out before we have a one bite? Sip. Celine. Love shout sis Joy. And Marimar, musta, how are you? Hindi ka nagparamdam. Mag-love shout out to you also. So, girls muna yung shout out natin. And of course, Kachab-chab. Kasalan namin sa Kachab-chab. Kasali sa group namin, Chubby Group. Ayun, ayan, tinakpan ko muna yung ano ko guys. Kasi si Yorme, inggit siya sa airport ko. He's so inggit. Kaya, yan. Magbini muna tayo para hindi siya ma-distract sa aking airport. Yeah. Duh. Before that, drink muna tayo, naubos ang laway. Sarap naman to. Cheers. Okay, let's get some first bite. Yan, hot dog. How big is your mouth, hot dog? Walang hiaya. Harap. Harap. Ang sam. Jalapeno. Pickled. Napin natin ng chips. Doritos. Naboard kasi guys na fail muna. Yan. Doritos babies. Ooh, look at so triangle. You like this, ja?
Yeah.
Stay there. Just there. I like Doritos. Andyan ba yan? Next shout out. Yorme. Regis CJ. Are Yorme of the group. It's not hot. It's not hot, right? Oh, spicy pala. Oh no, sorry, it's spicy. Nagbigay ko sa anak ko. Kala ko hindi spicy, nabili ko na. Naduling ng mata ko.
Open it.
open it. Spicy pala nabili, sorry. Yeah. Today's video is about mukbang. Eat. Mukbang. Now I'm gonna shout out to my members ko. Nga, kalimutan na. Next shout out. Pobre, OFW. Hello, tagaluto ni Kachabs. Sana all may tagaluto. Most shout out ko today is from my white legit friend. At may iba din, additional, of course. Next bite. Sarap. Ay! Walo ka. Ayan.
That too.
Spicy. Shout out. Pobre. Next. Pinoy. Kape-kape. Ang galing magawa ng kape. And Marlhen official. Shout out. Ang magaling sumayaw. Pearl Shell. Sino pa? Mario Marcos. Shout out. Alangan naman guys. Kakain ka ng ganito. Hotdog. Ganun lang. So bread lang makain mo, diba? Tutorial ito. So if you're gonna have this hotdog, make sure big bite talaga. You can makuha mo yung bread at saka yung sausage or hotdog inside. That. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Mom, I get everything. Ketchup, mustard, pickles too.
I like before.
Ang sarap talagang kumain, no? Makita nyo ba magda-diet? They're torturing themselves. Hindi naman kain ka ng kain. Make sure din na, workout. Even not crazy workout, like, keep moving, always moving. Hindi nakahiga palagi, nakaupo. Yeah. Shout out ko. Hi Lorna. Magla shout out. Wala kasi yung phone ko, hindi ko maalala yung nasa white legit friends. Ayan, ito lang cellphone, kunin ko. Borrow money.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Kasi yung isang phone ko, yan, nag-film. Oh, shoot. No. Bite muna. Shout out ko. Then, okay, wait. Shout out Ma'am Shakera vlog. Shout out. Sino pa? Hindi ko kilala eh. Lorna, bigla shout out. Sunny Meal. Hindi lang mo siya nakikala ko masyado. Naloko na. Mayora, shout out.
Oh, well done, say.
Medyo yellow yung lights. Bala na si Darna. Eat more. Ito ko yung member ko. I want some sweet. Kinain kasi ni Sander yung ano. Kinain ni Sander yun guys, yung ano, muffin. So today, find some ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah? Ito ng ice cream. Fridge. Ooh. Have English toffee. I bought this last night, guys. But this one, binili na Richie sa akin last time daw. Treats. Twix ice cream. What's gonna have this one? English toffee. Wala kasi sa dito, guys. May ginawa. Nag-fix sa kanyang car. Kaya, vlog tayo. May epal dito, guys. Si Sander epal. Balang sabi nga nila, guys, sa mga girls daw, kahit busog na, may space pa daw yung chance sa dessert. So that's right. Kahit busog na ako, guys, tapos if I'm craving sweet, no one can stop me. I will eat sweet one today. Yan. This so looks good. So okay, let's devour this one. Mukbang lang. Coffee flavor, I think. Toffee. Sarap-sap. But for you guys. Remote. Yan guys, magkakainin na naman ako. But while I'm watching Sarah, shout out again to you. My premier si Sarah, yung eat before sleep. Leche na buhay, leche flan. There guys, Hershey Kisses. Ay si Mara. Ano flavor siya? Strawberry ice cream cone. Smell good. Okay, let's try. Looks like this. Yan si Sarah, nagkain-kain pa dyan. Busy lang Sarah, okay? Here. My kids want some too. Here for you, one for you, one for you. Oh no, you lost that. Here. Make sure put in the garbage. Well, ang ganda naman lightning nasa window. Here. Looks like that. Cute din ang packaging. Pink. Strawberry flavor.
One more. Of course, don't forget water. If you eat too much sweet, drink more water too. Okay? Tapos na ka, Sarah. Another bite. Hindi ka rin speak like you. Another. Kisses. But, no? Try, that's. Let's try. Ooh, colorful, okay. Here. Try the orange. I'm stuck on my teeth. Ayun, the yellow is lemon. Huh? This one is orange. So sticky candy. Pero manipin ko man siya. Na may dubutsin na ba? I can read this cherry or strawberry. Mas sticky. Ang red is ano pala cherry. Okay. I'm full of sugar now. Ma-hyper na. So sticky. I still not it. May isang patulak. I'm just looking in the window. I want to show you the view.
Medyo yung mga snow iba nagbe-melt, slowly melting. Medyo wet snow na guys, not so nice. Ayan. Ayan, my view.
So guys, yan muna siguro ang video ko for today. Next time naman yung iba baka maging so long. Baka antukin si Yorme. Magugutom na si Lucano. Yan, short. Ano lang? Short. That's all for today. Mukbang na muna or some random things. So guys, thanks for watching to my lemon video. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon. I'm gonna post it. Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you.